How to make a pizza. Ingredients. 1 recipe dough. Half a cup pizza sauce. Half a cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Half a cup shredded Parmesan cheese. A quarter cup grated Italian cheese. A quarter cup chopped fresh basil. A quarter cup chopped fresh oregano. A quarter cup chopped fresh parsley. A quarter cup chopped fresh rosemary. A quarter cup olive oil. A quarter cup flour. Instructions. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. 2. On a lightly floured surface, roll dough to a 12-inch circle. 3. In a large bowl, combine pizza sauce, cheeses, and herbs. 4. Pour sauce mixture over dough, spreading evenly. 5. In a small skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. 6. Sprinkle flour over surface of sauce. Cook and stir for 2 minutes. 7. Transfer sauce to a baking dish. 8. Bake for 20 minutes, or until crust is golden brown.